Hi friends, I'm happy to see you for circle time today. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Make sure you use all your words. Awesome job, friends. Okay, now we can sing our days of the week. I thought we could stomp our feet today. Days of the week, stomp, stomp. Days of the week, stomp, stomp. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, stomp, stomp. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, stomp, stomp. Days of the week, stomp, stomp. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, stomp, stomp. Awesome job! Let's do our months dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! Okay, friends, now it's time to count our days. Yesterday we counted very slow. Today I want to count very fast. Can you count along with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And today is 16. Today is Thursday, April 16. Thank you for following along at circle time today. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.